back, everybody. This is Resourceful Marcus. So I'm putting on these aeration spikes that I bought on Amazon, aerating shoe spikes that I bought about 3 years ago. These ones are made by a company called Envy Green. Alright, so I'm going to do a short video on how I use these spikes to aerate my lawn, okay? So you can follow along if you want, aerating my lawn. Back and forth. And this is a cheap, affordable way to aerate your lawn. Okay, it's free. Aerating the lawn. Back and forth. Now when you're doing this, you're going to want to be careful, because when you're walking with these spikes, you can really twist your ankles, you can hurt your ankles, so you got to be careful when you're walking with them. The beauty of using these aeration spikes, you can do this as many times as you want in a year. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to rent a aeration machine. You don't have to pay much. I already got my money out of these spikes and then some. I bought these aeration spikes. They were approximately $35 on Amazon, so they've paid for themselves and then some. You can do this as many times to your lawn if you want in the gardening season. Hopefully you can see exactly what I'm doing, how I'm doing this. Alright, I gotta shut this camera down because it's starting to rain. I don't want to ruin my camera. Alright, so I'm just still aerating now with the rain off and on, pissy rain. Just aerating, walking around here. And so this is going to take a little while. I'm getting about a quarter of the lawn done now. And hopefully you could see what I was doing in this video with these aeration spikes, as this is going to make a big difference to my lawn. Now with the rain coming, this will help to soak it in, and it gets the lawn to aerate so the soil is breathing, and that helps. You got to get air in that soil. With all this rain, if we get another heavy rain here, this will make a big difference. So hopefully you like this video. This is Resourceful Marcus. Thank you for watching my channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I appreciate it very much. And we'll see you again soon. Alright, success. Got the lawn aerated now. Got it all aerated. Took a while. So, quite a bit of a workout because you put a lot of steps in to get it done. The lawn is aerated now, and now it can rain like hell. Bring that rain, and soil will be able to aerate and breathe the right way. So if it gets monsoon rain again overnight tonight, we'll be fine. I don't have to worry now. Alright, this is going to be added to the video that I'm doing with this. Okay? Alright, so I should add, after you use these aeration shoes spikes that go on your feet, your boots, put them on boots. Don't use shoes, drop them to boots. So anyways, you'll want to clean all the soil off them that builds up. You know, take a putty knife or a stick and remove all that, so when you use them the next time, remove all the, that's how much moisture is still in the soil here. A lot of moisture from when we had that rain there a couple of weeks ago, that one night.